How to delete WhatsApp on iPhone? Are you guys facing issue to delete your WhatsApp on iPhone? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, go over WhatsApp and hold it for a second. Once you hold it, you will be provided with multiple options over here. Just click on the last option, delete app. Now click on delete app. Now again tap on delete. Once you click on it, your app will be instantly deleted from your iPhone device. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna delete WhatsApp on our iPhone. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.